Hi guys, welcome back to another POV tour with Arman Cruz. Today we'll be showing you around this property in Jubilation South, Binyan, Laguna. If you're looking for a property that's accessible going to Metro Manila, BGC, in Makati, and also Alabang, you might like this property because this is easy accessible going through the Mamplasan exit. So tara, ikutin natin. This property sits in a lot area of 154 square meters with a floor area of 170 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and 1 powder room. So, itong POV tour na to, ginagawa ko to kasi para makita nyo kung anong yung nakikita ko on plain sight. So, yung dadaanan lang ng mga mata ko, yun din yung papakita ko sa inyo. Kasi minsan, pag edited, sometimes you just get to see what's the nice part of the property or yung may mga bagay na nami-miss out ako. So this one will give those people na ayaw nila na masyadong editing, ayaw nila na masyadong mga fancy graphics na to see the actual property. So we are now in the living area. So as you can see, naka-cove po yung ceiling natin and then yung flat yung ceiling natin starting from the dining all the way to the kitchen area. As you can see, yung tiles natin, ang maganda, very premium po siya. Napakaganda po niya. And then, this is actually an open concept po na property. So, as you can see, kitang-kita nyo po from the living, dining, and also to the kitchen area. So, we also have here, dito sa ibaba ng stairs, would be your powder room. And then, as you move a little bit further beside the powder room, dito sa baba, is the first bedroom of the house. Ito pong bedroom na to, ang maganda if you have senior citizens or elderlies or you would like to have an office, meron siyang sariling toilet. So, pwede kayong maging guest room, pwede siyang para sa seniors, pwede siyang maging office ninyo. You can lock yourself up the whole day sa office ninyo di sa baba. And here at the back, okay, dito naman sa likod will be your dirty kitchen and laundry area. Ayan. So, nagsusukat sila. By the way, dito sa kitchen po natin, sa dirty kitchen, magkakaroon siya ng basic cabinets. And even dito sa ating kitchen sa loob ng bahay, magkakaroon din siya ng cabinets. Habayang abangan nyo kapag natapos itong property nito, we'll be showing you around. So, by the way, this property is attached. Yung attachment po niya nasa likod ng bahay. Okay? So, let's go upstairs. So, ayan. Kindly comment down below. How do you like our POV tour? Actually, when I was starting, ito po yung ginagawa ko. Pero ngayon, binabalik ko siya so that I can give a different perspective or for those people na gusto nila ng POV tour lang, ayaw nila masyadong editing, ito po yung ginagawa natin. So, this is the second toilet dito sa second floor, sa buong bahay. So, this is the finish. As you can see, ang ganda ng finishing niya. You can just imagine how premium it could be. With the turnover, what's inclusive is you'll have your shower, you have a glass enclosure there, you have your sink, and then meron din tayong toilet na kasama na. Okay? So right beside it is the first bedroom here in the second floor. As you can see, partly naka-cove po siya, and then you have your LED lights, and then naka-ready na po yung ating center light. So we also have a cove dito sa kabila, hanggang natignan. Siguro kasya dito double or semi-double bed. By the way, all rooms will include a cabinet, even the one downstairs. So dito naman tayo sa second bedroom. This is almost finished na. So you can see yung tiles natin. I think this is ceramic or porcelain tiles, pero parang hindi ko pa natatanong yung una eh. Pero baka ceramic tiles siya. Pero ceramic tile lang siya ang ganatignan. Again, yung ceiling natin, may cove po siya on both sides. It's very nice. And naka-WPC na po pala yung ceiling natin. Yung ko na napansin. So, very nice. Ganda tignan. It's white, tapos may wood green siya. Okay? And then, so this bedroom is bigger than the second one. Baka siguro kasya na yung ating queen size bed pag medyo siniksik natin dun sa side na yun. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo, kapag POV tour lang, medyo mabilis-bilis. So, all the bedrooms are wood, solid door, finish tayo. And welcome to the master's bedroom. This is the whole master's bedroom. It's very spacious, kasya pong king size or queen size bed. And dito sa master's bedroom natin, we have a balcony, and a walk-in closet, and a master's toilet and bath. So let's just me just tour you around yung balcony natin. So this is the balcony, and this is the view of your property from the outside. You know what, si Jubilation South kasi is one of those premium villages in Binyan. So apart from Verdana Mamplasan, which is medyo papasok siya ng konti, this is more accessible. And ang maganda dyan, kilala, ano siya, some of the prominent figures in Binyan lives here, or mga established people in Binyan lives here kasi ang linis niya, very strict security, and maayos po yung management ng village mismo. So here is your walk-in closet. So the walk-in closet will have the basic cabinets included. Very spacious. Kaya pong maglagay ng dalawang cabinets on both sides. Kasyang-kasya po siya. And then, ang maganda po dyan, you can, I have still to double check if this will be enclosed. Itong door leading to the main sleeping area. And then, maganda dyan, you have your access going to your toilet. So, ang maganda dyan, pagkatapos maligo, diretso ka na, you can put a mirror in the walk-in closet, and then you can actually just prepare there. Have your space, siguro put an electric fan para hindi mo siya mainit, or you can have an air conditioning dedicated for the walk-in closet. So yun lang po, we're done with the tour. If you have questions about this property, you can contact us in the contact information on the description and on the comment section, guys. Minsan bigay naghahanap ng mga questions about pricing and also about the details, hindi lang nila nakita sa description box, or you can contact us with the contact details na posted sa comment section po yan. So yung comment section, nasa baba lang po yan, pindot lang kayo ng araw pababa, lalabas po yung details namin. You can contact us, me, or my team. Thank you!